Welcome to Model Finder. Today, we're taking a look at Sophie Rain. A rising star in the world of social media and modeling. Known for her stunning looks and confident, empowering personality, Sophie has quickly become a fan favorite for those who appreciate a relatable and authentic influencer. Standing at 5'4" with an enviable curvy figure, Sophie proudly embraces her body, encouraging her followers to do the same. She's passionate about staying active, often posting workout routines, healthy meals, and tips for maintaining both physical and mental wellness. Her social media presence is filled with vibrant photos from her travels, giving fans a glimpse of her adventures around the globe. Sophie has partnered with top brands, turning her online presence into a money-making machine. Subscribe to Model Finder for more biographies and join us in the next episode.